Like $3 each.
Yeah. I think Hot Wheels is like the biggest. Where'd you get these Toyotas from?
These are the seller there in the Asia.
Dave, no. I mean, there's a lot of guys.
This Chinese guy is gone.
Oh. Oh.
Yes, able there.
I see. I think I know. It's not here. So, how do you know?
I don't know if I should get the Civic or the Dodge. The Dodge
I think
bike.
you should take this one. It looks so cool.
I really
You
want.
have so many cars. Get the bike. I mean, you've never seen anything like
I
that.
really want to get the Civic because I've been wanting it. That Dodge bike is just sick. I don't know. Dachshund too. That's nice.
So let me see. What did you get first?
I got the Viper bike. I changed my mind. Holy shit! Oh, look at that. That's it.
Demi, what do you think, Demi? Demi, look. What about this one, Demi? We have a McLaren over here. Holy shit, treasure hunt.